Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to give you guys the Prosperi Academy honest review. As we can see, we're on the Trustpilot and they have a 4.4 rating, but if we filter it out to the 1 star, as you can see there is 339 and 5 star is 9,000. But let's go ahead and read all the 1 star reviews. Just like so, as you can see, one person says it's a glorified scam. This was 4 days ago. They ripped out $40 and refused to refund it. And then another person saying it's a scam, things like that, because they paid for the 1-week course. Another person said that they don't provide a phone number for customer service, which is also something this person faced. And like they charged them $80, which honestly sucked. And then they offered a trail offer and then raised prices. As you can see, all of these are saying poor. Next up, if you're on Scam Advisor, as you can see, they have some positive reviews, but the website's owner is hiding his identity on WHOIS using a paid service. And then on Quora, as you can see, you cannot invest like real money to like get 1,000. This was false advertisement. Everything is a demo trading platform. This is not a real place where you can go ahead and invest your real money. They overcharge you. And then as you can see, they have a monthly subscription, which no one tells you until you're charged again. Their site is a very bad setup. As you can see, they fell victim of the false advertisement, which is this: invest real like $10 to get 1,000. This is false. But yeah, so it's just another demo trading platform and the setup is very bad. If you are into trading and if you want to trade, there are 1,000 other better options. Please go for verified ones instead of this ones, and I would not suggest you to go for it. And yeah, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.